Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use templates in CapCut PC. So there is a new template bar here. You can find the one you need, or you can choose one from the For You page kind of. And you're just going to, I think, want to download it first. I don't know, I'm just going to download this one because I think the transition is pretty cool. It also shows you how many clips you need. I might just download this one as well because you only need 3. This one you'll need 14, 10, 35 is a lot. This you just need 1. This you need just one as well. So you're going to add it to your track here, and you need 14 clips to be replaced. What you basically need to do, okay, I'm just gonna wait for this to load and I'll be right back. And here you can either go and press replace to open your library, or you can drag videos that are already here in CapCut and replace it here. So that's what I'm going to do. Hopefully it works. Well, I think you have to replace it according to this. It says 1, then we need 2 of the same thing, 2 of the same thing, 2 of the same thing, and then 2 of the same thing. And then I'm just going to keep replacing these videos, and I'll be right back. All right, I'm done. It is a little bit random, I must say, but I just took the videos that are in CapCut and just put them together. So this is what it looks like in the end. You're just going to then save that. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!